1703, March 6, 2026, right now marks 2,150 hours of progress on the global heart simulation. The intention for the next hour is to rewrite the voxelization system to discover objects via their mesh properties rather than collider properties, as previously collider data was being used to calculate the bounds surrounding an object and then subdivide those bounds into individual voxels based on the local object, which works well in a scene with simple geometry, such as the test scene, because every object here has a collider. Even if there are multiple colliders, it still calculates properly because these objects have both a mesh and a renderer. But in the other scene, there are certain objects which have the mesh data stored on the children, and so trying to access that data leads to an error because the collider is actually on the parent rather than the children, and so attempting to access mesh data on the parent leads to an error because there is no mesh data, so no triangle data can be gathered from the mesh. So the intention for the next hour is to rewrite the voxelization system to discover objects via their mesh components rather than their collider components, and then resize and calculate the bounds based on the mesh data.